If you're looking to buy web hosting the easy way, this video is going to walk you through how to purchase Namecheap hosting step by step. Whether you're launching a new website, moving an existing site, or just trying to get your first hosting plan set up, I'll show you exactly where to click and what to choose so you can complete the purchase without confusion. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this one. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is go to namecheap.com in your browser. Once the website loads, log into your Namecheap account. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one first, but for this tutorial, I'm assuming you already have access and are signed in. After you log in, look at the top menu of the site. You'll see a section labeled Domains. Hover your mouse over that menu and a drop-down list will appear. From that list, click on the hosting option you need. In this example, I'm selecting shared hosting, but Namecheap also offers other types depending on your needs. Once you're on the hosting page, you'll see different plan options available. Namecheap usually offers plans like Stellar, Stellar Plus, and Stellar Business. Take a moment to compare the features so you can pick the one that fits your website best. If you're just starting out, a basic plan may be enough, but if you need more storage or multiple websites, a higher plan could make more sense. Next, select the billing period. This is where you choose how long you want to pay for your hosting upfront. You'll also need to choose the data center location. It's usually best to pick a location that is closest to your audience because that can help with loading speed and overall performance. After that, you'll be asked to select a primary domain for your hosting plan. Here, you can choose either a new domain or an existing domain, depending on whether you're building a brand new website or connecting hosting to a domain you already own. Make sure this part is correct before moving forward, since it determines what website your hosting plan will be attached to. When everything looks good, click Add to Cart. At this point, Namecheap will take you to your cart so you can review your order. Double check the plan, billing period, domain selection, and any other details before continuing. If you have a coupon code, this is the time to apply it so you can save money on your purchase. Once you've reviewed everything, click Confirm Order. After that, you'll be taken to the payment section. Choose your preferred payment method. Namecheap typically gives you options like credit cards, PayPal, or account funds, so select whichever is easiest for you. Before completing the purchase, make sure you agree to the terms and conditions, then click Pay Now to finish the transaction. If the payment goes through successfully, your hosting order will be submitted and activation will begin. Now, after payment, you'll need to wait for the hosting account to activate. In many cases, shared hosting is activated very quickly, but Namecheap notes that it can sometimes take 30 to 60 minutes, so if you don't see it immediately, don't panic. Just give it a little time and check back again shortly. Once the hosting account is active, you can access it from your Namecheap dashboard. Go to Namecheap, then Hosting List, and click Go to cPanel. That will take you into your hosting control panel where you can start managing files, domains, email, databases, and everything else you need for your website. And that's it. You've now learned how to purchase Namecheap hosting from start to finish. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more step-by-step website tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.